Hello everyone, I'm Kai, the Concrete Gardener, and I've just started this YouTube page a couple of days ago now. Thank you for subscribing. We would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, but thank you for tuning in. So just wanted to tell you that I've got so many videos, like literally I started gardening in 2016 and I just used to do the videos because I wanted to see what I was doing and maybe share it with my family and my friends. And then somebody said, you should really start, it was my auntie actually, you should really start your own YouTube page or you should blog. And I said, oh, yeah, maybe I will. My mom one day was surprised because I'm originally from New York, and my mom was like, the concrete girl is gardening? I can't believe this, because all of a sudden I started growing things like peaches, and that's what's left over of them. They're really small, but they're really tasty. Anyway, ask the birds. They'll tell you, and the squirrels, because they eat them. If they can, they'll eat them all. But anywho, my mom was like, I can't believe the concrete girl is a gardener. And my family's originally from North Carolina, so lots of gardening, and or as they would call it back then, farming. I don't farm, I garden. So, I do enjoy it. It's very relaxing. I love growing my own food, my own herbs, my own trees, growing trees, even peach trees. Actually, it's a fruit cocktail tree. Stay tuned and you can see all of those things that I'm growing, all of the good things and the bad, all the hills and valleys, because you're not going to do everything right. And if you do, tell me how do you do that, okay? But there's been a lot accomplished since 2016. Come with me on my journey, see what I'm doing, give me some tips whenever you can, and I hope you learn something and we grow together. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. And oh, by the way, YouTube doesn't allow you to upload but so many videos in a day. So therefore, it's going to take me a while to catch up. But I'm going to, here and there, put some more current videos up. But I'm going back so I can kind of, go back to the future kind of thing. Like, anyway. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Kai, your Concrete Gardener, signing out for right now. Later. Have a good night, morning, wherever you might be.